Do you want to be able to fix Instagram messaging problem? Well, then you have come to the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to solve that issue, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be for us to come to our app, so our Instagram app, and then come to our profile right here, as you can see. So go to your profile, and then in here we are firstly going to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, we get to this page right here, which is perfect. What we are going to do in here is to click where it says settings. So click on settings in here, and now we should be taken here, as you can see. Now just scroll down and click on help. Just going to load, and now we need to click where it says report a problem. So click on report a problem. Once again, click on report a problem in here, and now click on include and continue, because then you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So we need to write something like this to Instagram. I am having issues with my Instagram Messenger. Please fix this for me. So basically you need to write something like this. If you want to, you can even more specify exactly what kind of issue that you're having, but I think that this one should be good. But if you want to, of course, just specify to them and then click on send in the top right corner. After that, it took me about one day, I think 1 or 2 days, for me to actually get this fixed for myself after I've done this. But what you can also do, if you don't want to wait 1 to 2 days, you can actually do another thing. So just close your Instagram app and then go into your app store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android, and then search for Instagram in here. Just search for Instagram. Just a second. Just going to load. Perfect. As you can see, I get to this page right here. So you need to select Instagram. As you can see, I do have a blue button in here where it says open. If it says update for you, so if you have this button right here and it says update, just click on it and make sure that you do have the latest Instagram update. That should fix the issue for you if you do have the latest Instagram update, if you do have an update button in here, just so you know. I'm just going to show you. For example, you can see Snapchat, it says update in here for me. So basically it means that I don't have the latest update on my Snapchat app. It says only open on Instagram, so that means I have the latest update on Instagram but not Snapchat. So if you have update, just click on it, and that should actually solve the issue for you, hopefully. So basically this is exactly how you can actually do this. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.